Today we're doing a movement routine for the times that we might feel a little sad. Let's get started. Today we're going to be doing a gentle movement routine that's great for any time, but especially those times you might be feeling a little sad. We have had a death in the family recently, and I've been feeling just that, a little bit sad. And I realized I want to move, but I want to do it in a really gentle way. So that's where this routine came about. So I want you to start sitting, and you can sit on the ground, you can sit in a chair, a stool, wherever is really comfortable and calming for you. So I'm going to start sitting here. And what I want you to do is take one hand and place it on your chest and one hand down on your belly. Okay, you can close your eyes if that feels good. You can keep them open. And I just want you to take a nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. And continue here for a moment, just noticing the rise and fall of your chest, the rise and fall of your belly as air moves in and out. And now see if you can maybe lengthen that breath a little bit to a count of 4. So you're going to inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Then place your left hand down at your side. Bring your right arm up towards the ceiling and reach over towards the side. Then we're going to lift back up. Right hand down, left hand up and over. And let's see if we can match that to our breath. So we're going to inhale and lift up, 2, 3, 4, over as you exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale. So focusing on that breath gives both your mind and your body something to do. So by really focusing and slowing that breath down, you're actually telling your nervous system that you're okay. It's going to help calm that nervous system down. And then also, we're giving our mind something to focus on, which for me, I know personally, is really important during this time to kind of slow down, give myself a way to move in a gentle way, while also letting my mind just come back to the present moment, even if just for a minute. Good. Inhale, both arms up. And then we're going to exhale, rotate. And then inhale, lift up. Exhale, rotate. So what we're doing here is helping to move our spines a little bit. We're getting blood flowing, we're getting fluid moving. We're mobilizing through our spine. All of those things that can really get very tight, very non-mobile in times of our life when we are sad or when we're stressed or things feel hard. Those aren't the times you need to feel that you have to do a long, hard workout. Movement like this can be very healing, not just for our bodies, but for our emotions as well. Lift up. And then we're going to reach forward. So if you're in a chair, you're just going to drape over your legs. That's what I'm doing here. I'm going to walk and reach my arms forward, and then restack. And if your legs are crossed, cross the other one over. Inhale, arms up again. Exhale and reach. Sink into those hips. Just let everything release. Give yourself a moment to let go. And restack here. Nice job. We're gonna rotate and lay down on our backs. So again, wherever you have space and wherever you're comfortable, have your feet flat. Arms are gonna rest down at your sides. Inhale, reach both arms up and back. Maybe the backs of your hands touch the ground. Exhale, bring them back down. Inhale. And exhale. Now see if you can turn it into a big circle. So let them reach back and then they slide around, maybe even sliding on the ground, down to your sides. Reach up and back. Just let that belly sink, let your ribs sink. Switch directions on your circles. So inhale, reach them around. Exhale down to your sides. I know for me, a big part of this current life season has been sitting and waiting, driving. A lot of things that not only with the sadness make me feel stiff, but just the circumstances around it. So anything to open up my joints, rest your arms at your sides, and my hips really help those emotions to calm down too. So we're gonna do a little bit into the pelvis. Take an inhale. When you exhale, curl your tailbone and see if you can rock your tailbone and your pelvis off the ground. And then inhale, take it and rock it the opposite way. So exhale, it's like you're a rocking horse in that low back and into your pelvis. So what happens is many times we get very tight and immobile in this whole complex. Many people say we hold our emotions a lot of times in our hips. Also, I don't want you at all to feel any kind of stress during this movement routine. There's no right, there's no wrong. We are just getting in touch with our bodies, letting ourselves breathe, giving ourselves a moment. So any kind of movement that you find you can create down here into the pelvis, that's good movement. Anything that comes to you right now in this moment is good. So on this one, if it feels okay to you, go ahead and take it up. Roll through the spine. Inhale at the top. Exhale to roll down. And we're going to do 2 more like that. Feel like you're reaching those knees out over your toes. Keep your shoulder blades nice and heavy. Doing some good for your spine, for your back body. When you come down, reach your left leg long and hug that right knee in. And just give it as much of a squeeze as you can. Really give yourself a hug here. Whatever that means to you, squeeze it, move it around. Our joints like compression. Then keep your left hand on the knee. Bring your leg over to the left as you rotate. Your right arm comes out to the right and turn and look at it. slowly unwind, coming back. Hold behind the leg, reach it up, and find a few ankle circles here. Again, just helping that circulation from all the way down in the feet, switch directions. And then bring it in and switch legs. So find that squeeze. Squeeze it out, squeeze. When you're ready, right hand onto the knee, take it to the right, left hand out to the left, and turn and look. And back to center. Hug both knees in. Just rock it side to side. You're going to bring your feet back down and either stay here, or if it's comfortable, bring your knees out and the bottoms of your feet together. And just like we started, I want you to place one hand up on your chest and one on your belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. 2 more like that. You can stay here as long as you need. I wish you the very best in whatever you are in and wherever you are. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I'll see you soon.